Okay guys, so this is how you use Excel to calculate the standard deviation and also to put the error bar onto your graph. So let's say you got some data, day 1. Okay, here's a little trick. Let's say if you want to make the same thing across, just put your mouse right next to the box until it turns to the plus, and then just drag it over, and then it will automatically do it for you. Ta-da! Okay, so let's say you did your calculation and your measurement, and then you got some number. So let's say day 1 is 2.5, 2.7. So maybe 2.5 second was your first trial 1, and then 2.7 is trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, trial 5. That stuff. Okay, you're done collecting data for day 1, then you're gonna go on to day 2. Alright, so you got your data for day 1, day 2, and day 3. Now how are you going to analyze it and get the standard deviation? Well, very simple. You probably want to take the average, and you probably want some standard deviation. Yeah, average, just say equal average. You found it right here. Double click on it, and then just highlight the number that you want to take average of. Once again, we can do the trick of dragging and dropping. Right, you highlight where there is the formula average of the above stuff, put your mouse over until it turned into a cross, and drag it over. Done. Standard deviations, same deal. You say equal STD EV, standard dev, right here. Double click on it, select the number that you wanted to do standard deviation for, hit enter. Once again, you can drag it across and you have the answer, the standard dev for 3 days. Okay, here's the next step. Let's say you want to graph this average of 3 days. So you highlight it, you go to insert, column, graph. Okay, so very nicely you see that the average is going up among day 1, day 2, and day 3. But you really want to display the arrow bar. How are you going to do that? Okay, click on the chart, go to layout, arrow bars. See how it say arrow bars with standard deviation? Click on that. Okay, so it gives you like some pretty bad arrow bar, doesn't connect to anything. So what you gotta do is click to this arrow bar, right click on it, format arrow bar, okay, and then say custom, specify value. Let's specify this value for the positive arrow value, and specify this value for negative arrow value. Click OK, click close, and now it's actually give you the correct arrow bar for your graph. And done.